Hey Filecoin holders, how are you? Hope you are fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, my friends, once again I am present with the latest update of the Filecoin. What's going on in this time in the Filecoin? What's the current price of Filecoin? What's the price changes occur in the Filecoin? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. At this time, the price of the Filecoin is 72.96 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Filecoin. And on the other side, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Filecoin, so the price changes is going positive, my friends. You know about the previous changes occur in the Filecoin. Completely, my friends, the price going down. The last 1 day, the last 1 week price changes is completely going down. But now the currently last 1 hour price change is going positive, and I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Filecoin. And you know what, my friends, today I'm feeling very good about the Filecoin. How do you feel today about the Filecoin? Please tell me in the comment box, my friends. And make sure to subscribe, my friends. Subscribe is very important for all of you because I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news. At this time, you can see here that the Filecoin price is completely falls down. Now still the price of Filecoin is going down. You can see here the last 1 hour price is going down. So Filecoin have no idea at this time to take a jump. So that is why my prediction, my recommendation for everyone at this time is that it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. My friends, they will continue this dump, this funds for the next 2 days, for 1 day, and after 1-2 days, the price will again start pumping. So you have to hold, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Filecoin? Please tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends.